Hello and welcome to Satthwa's YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about natural DHT blocker that helps in combating hair loss and are considered to be the best treatment for baldness. Now you must be wondering, what is this natural DHT blocker? Well, to understand this, you have to watch this video carefully till the end. Hair loss is a problem that is very common and is often difficult to emotionally cope with. There could be a lot of reasons behind hair loss, ranging from bad diet to stress. Dihydrotestosterone is a derivative of testosterone hormone. An enzyme called 5-alpha reductase is responsible for the conversion of testosterone to DHT molecule in various tissues like brain, skin with hair follicles. Primary benefit of blocking DHT is that it can slow or stop hair loss and is the most effective way to treat thinning of hair. Natural ingredients such as pumpkin seed oil, coconut oil, saw palmetto extract, neem leaves extract, green tea extract, rosemary extract and amla seeds. Most of them are available in our home or in the nearby market. These are really good for making your hair thick and healthy and also promote hair regrowth. Now let's go through the benefits of natural DHT blockers. Pumpkin seed, it has amino acid that helps in hair growth. Coconut oil, it has nourishing properties, tame frizz and heals breakage. Saw palmetto, it helps in increasing hair density. Neem leaves, averts premature graying of hair and relieves itchy scalp. Green tea, strengthens the hair follicles. Rosemary, stimulates scalp circulation for regrowth. Amla seeds make hair shinier and softer. Isn't it amazing to see all the natural ingredients together nourishing the hair? Wish we had enough time in our daily busy life schedule to use all these ingredients. Simply mix them and apply it on our scalp. But wait, we have a solution to all your hair problems. Satthwa has come up with Vardhana Hair Oil. It has all the ingredients perfect for hair regrowth and nourishment. It's an Ayurvedic solution which has 7 magical ingredients that halt hair loss and thinning of hair. It is chemical free and healthy for your hair. If you are looking for an effective oil to make your hair stronger and thicker without the use of any chemicals, then do try this Ayurvedic oil. Apply 2 to 3 times in a week for 3 to 4 months to see the desired result. Vardhana Hair Oil has these major benefits. Number 1, it repairs and nourishes the roots. Number 2, promotes regrowth and halt hair loss. Number 3, prevents thinning of hair. Number 4, it provides nourishment. Number 5, it has no side effect and also it can be applied by both men and women. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. If you have any query, let us know in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.